Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from XM app. Withdrawing money on XM is simple. Once your account is set up, the app lets you transfer your profit or balance back to your account. First, open any of the web browser you prefer. On the top there's an address bar. Type down xm.com and enter it, and simply make sure to log into your account in the top right corner there. Once you get into this interface of XM app, on the left hand side we can find there's an option for the more icon. Click onto this more icon here, and on the top again simply swipe a bit until you find to this funding here. Click onto this funding and you need to select to this withdraw under the funding here, and in the right hand side click onto this withdraw again. Over here first you need to verify your phone number and simply proceed to it and choose the withdrawal method. After that, deposit your bank account, debit or e-wallet, and XM usually requires withdrawals via original methods only. And after that you can enter the withdrawal amounts, how much money you want, and you can confirm the request, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.